Mercy towards birds. Companion Abdullah ibn Mas'ud said, "Once we accompanied the Prophet, peace be upon him, on a journey. One day, the Prophet, peace be upon him, went away to relieve himself. Meanwhile, we saw a bird mother with her 2 young chicks. We captured the young chicks. The bird mother came along down to the ground and began to spread her wings in sorrow for her chicks. Having seen that, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said to his companions, 'Who grieved this bird mother for her young ones? Return its young ones to her.' The Prophet, peace be upon him, used this incident to instill the deepest meanings of mercy in the hearts of his followers. We need to maintain and propagate such inclusive mercy. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, commands us to show mercy to all creatures until mercy spreads everywhere so as to earn Allah's mercy and blessings. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, 'For those who show mercy to others, Allah will show mercy to them. Show mercy to those on earth, and you will attain the mercy of heaven.' Such are the teachings of Islam that we should live by and show to the world. Such is the upright religion."